Hey guys, happy Monday. I'm back in the office today and I'm doing kind of like a quick on-the-go chit chat a little bit here just because I have a lot to get done today and I want to just kind of get going on it quick. So for this week we will have two new kits. Oh, this weekend is the Ultimate Planner sale, which is the biggest thing of them all. I'm so excited, and it'll be starting Friday at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. That's when the sale itself starts, so we will have the code active on our shop then, and we'll be announcing the code, I presume, the day of. We haven't gotten the code yet anyways. Usually they don't announce it to the shop owners up until like the last minute because people leak the code sometimes too early on accident and stuff like that. So as soon as I have the code, you guys will know. And also just follow the Ultimate Planner sale on Instagram or their website and all that kind of stuff, and they'll have the code on there. So yes, so we have that. We also have a giveaway going on. A loop giveaway on Instagram for the planner sale with a lot of awesome shops in it and a lot of awesome like shop credit to all of them. So it's like $20 shop credit to every shop in the loop, and so definitely check that out if you see this in time. But we'll have two new kits this week for the planner sale. They'll be limited edition to the planner sale, so just for this weekend only, and it's one photo kit and one clip art kit. I'll be teasing them soon on Instagram, as well as they'll be in the newsletter for this week. If you haven't signed up for that, I'll leave the link down below, or just go to my website. It pops up like sign up for our newsletter, and you'll be able to see all of that stuff. We also will have some exclusive freebies this weekend. I'm a little bit of a late bloomer, a little last minute bee, so I haven't done that yet. I will be doing that, designing those tonight. And I also have some special journaling freebie cards coming this Friday. Well, they'll be for the orders starting on Friday. They're coming, I think, Thursday. I ordered them literally at like 4 a.m. this morning because I like got this idea and I was like, oh, yes. So we'll have that. We'll have great freebies at different price points. We'll have free journaling cards at different, I haven't decided if it's going to be at different price points or what yet, so I'll let you guys know when I have that information for you. I'm just kind of figuring out all the details tonight, basically. And I think that's everything for this week. So it's going to be a great week. I am so excited. I got my hair cut short. If you haven't seen my Instagram, I posted it last week. I got it cut last Tuesday, so almost a week ago, right the day after I filmed my last vlog video, chit chat video last week. I filmed it last Monday, and so I got it cut Tuesday. So I love it. I'm loving the short hair life. I still feel like I'm trying to work out like how to style it. Like I think I'm finally starting to kind of get the hang of it a little bit. I don't know. I kind of just it is what it is on a Monday. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. This was a super quick, fast chit chat, but like I said, I really want to get back and get caught up on orders this week before the sale starts. I want to get through all of the Red Riding Hood orders from not last Friday, but the Friday before, and then also really, hopefully I can get all of the orders out from last Friday too. That's always my goal this week. So I'm just going to be working away all day today, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys had a great weekend and a fabulous Monday. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. My arm is hurting. But we also hit 20,000 followers on Instagram, which is mind-boggling to me. Like, that is so crazy. So I want to do like a giveaway or something soon because that's just crazy to me. Like, I can't even fathom that still. Like, but yeah, so thank you so much if you follow us on Instagram. It was just so exciting. It's such an exciting moment. We had like a little happy dance and did a little cheers this weekend. I was just really excited about it. But so I think I'm going to do like a giveaway or something soon. Our shop anniversary is coming up. It'll be not this Friday, but the following Friday. So I do have a plan on doing like a limited edition kit and possibly a notepad, limited edition notepad as well. Just something really fun and special. So maybe we'll kind of loop something in with that. Something like that. I don't know. We'll see. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful week and a wonderful day and a great Monday. And I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!